Alright, so I'm just gonna film a quick how to remove this and replace your screen. For anybody with like an older Colorado, like second gen, they get something called Ghost Touch, and it pretty much does whatever it wants to do, hangs up on people, takes you random places. So I'm gonna show you how to replace that and remove all this. Obviously, first go buy a screen. Amazon has them. You don't need GM. They're just overpriced for the same part. Some of these, anything works, and then kind of get in between here wherever you can. There you go. And they're just all clips. Okay, sorry I couldn't film and do it at the same time, but you could just see it's just a bunch of clips. So I have the Pro USA Pro Clip, whatever it's called, phone mount. It's kind of just glued in between, and I don't feel like taking it out, so all I need is this amount of clearance. I think you got right here, they look like 7 or 8 millimeter bolts. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me remove those. Okay, so I did have to remove my Pro Clip USA thing. You can see the glue right there. And my S-Pod, whatever, aux beam controller. There's a Pro Clip. It just glues here so it doesn't vibrate, and clips in here with a little foam. But put that down there. So yeah, it was 7 millimeters. Pops right off. Once you get those 4 out, this thing literally just pops out, and you have access to everything. You just gotta disconnect it all, and it's out. It's just 3 clips. You can see 1, 2, 3, and I would recommend vacuuming and dusting, whatever you gotta do, because you can see all this dust that you're never gonna be able to get out. So let's go inside because it's really freaking hot. All right, so next step, I think, yeah, I got these pretty clean. I just used a little Adams polish interior detailer and this rag. Sorry, this is my table because I'm not set up yet. T15 Torx bit. Remove all these to pop the radio out. Okay, so the backing is off. Way too many screws just for a case, but okay. So now you got the same kind of screws, but you got like, looks like 4 here, and that's about it. Let's see. Okay, screws are out and motherboard thing is out. You have to remove these 3 ribbons. Simple, just pry this little thing up and they just pop out. All right, so I moved indoor because it's too hot and this guy is whining too much. Yeah, you. So I realized I only ordered the digitizer LCD screen, whatever this is called, and I've seen people replace the whole unit itself. So I'm gonna try and just change this, and hopefully that fixes the problem. I'm not gonna say it was pretty straightforward. So you did have to remove this, and it did take a little work. This one looks like it's weird. It's like backwards. But let's see. So I swapped a new one in. Everything went pretty smooth. Moving? Hopefully not. Moment of truth. Yes. Oh, look at that. No more ghost touch. To be honest, I don't even know. Like, the ghost touch was so bad, it created its own, like, ecosystem pretty much. Like, it moved apps around. I don't even know what it did. But yeah, that is how you change a digitizer on a 2017 Colorado. Jeez, look at that. Look at that. Welcome to Texas, right?